In this lecture, we are going to write logic for insert category and insert occasion. First, open insert category.php. Above this, open PHP and close PHP. From index.php, I'm just going to copy this and here I will be pasting. Below this, if is set $post. Inside this button, I have passed this name value. I will copy and paste. If this button is clicked, only then I have to insert the category inside the database. Before that, create one variable gift category title is equal to $post. From input field, I'm just going to access value of category. I will just copy this and inside this paste. Below this, I will check for one condition. If my gift category title is empty, then in that case, I have to throw the error. I will write here echo script tag, close script tag. As alert, please enter category name. If my category is empty, then this message will be shown to admin. Let me correct the spelling. Else, create one variable statement check is equal to connection prepare method. I will be writing the query select star from gift categories table where our category title, this should be exactly matching with our column name where category title is equal to question mark. Then below this, I'm just going to bind param. Category title is string and with what value we have to bind? We have to bind with this variable. I will copy and inside this paste. Next, I will execute statement check execute. After executing, I will get the result. Create one variable result check is equal to statement check get result. Below this, I will check for condition if result check num rows, if it is greater than 0, that means whatever category admin is entering, that category is already present inside the database. So in that case, copy, paste. Here I will pass the message, this gift category already exists. From this query, if we are getting the result, that means gift category is present inside the database. So we are going to display this message. If this condition is false, inside the else part, that new gift category we are going to insert inside the database. Create one variable statement insert is equal to connection prepare method. Inside this, I will write insert query insert into gift categories table. Where I have to insert inside this column values. I will pass question mark. Then next binding and executing, we don't have to get the result directly. We are inserting inside the database. Copy this variable, paste and paste. And for this one, I will be assigning to variable result. If this is executed successfully, in that case, what we have to do? We have to show this message. I will copy, paste it here. I will write the message gift category inserted successfully. And where admin has to redirect, again copy this same line. Remove this alert. I will pass window.location.href is equal to index.php question mark where admin has to redirect. After inserting, admin has to go to view categories page. So here I will write question mark view categories. And for this button, you can see as soon as you click on this view all, inside the URL, we will have this and we will be redirected to view categories.php. So here also we are doing the same thing. Else, if this condition is false, copy. Here I will paste, remove this. I will write error inserting category. That's it. Come to project, refresh once. Let us check for the output. I will come to insert category. Okay. On line 8, we are having error. Scroll up. Here I will be passing dollar. Now save this Refresh once. I will also open database. Gift category. I am having greeting card, bouquets, gift hampers, scrunchies. I will pass home decor. I will copy this, paste it here. Click on insert category. Gift category inserted successfully. OK. I am redirected to this page. Inside the database, now you can see home decor is also added. Now I will just copy this crunchy. Come here, come to insert category, paste, click on this. Now I will have the message this gift category already exists. So again, admin will not be able to insert the category. If I come to database, only once we will have this crunchies. Now what I will do, exact same PHP, I will copy. Inside this insert occasion, I'm just going to paste. One by one, we are going to make the changes. Close the file and I will split the screen. Scroll down. I will copy this name value, paste. Variable name, I will change to occasion title. I will copy, paste. Let me just decrease the size. And inside this input field, we have passed the value as occasion title. I will copy and paste. If this is empty, we will tell please enter occasion name. Then statement check from which table. I have to select from occasions table. Let me check the table name, occasions table, where occasion title is equal to question mark. Then we are just going to bind with occasion title, copy paste. Here I will write this occasion already exists. Then insert into occasion, occasion title, copy and paste. Then with what value I have to bind? I have to bind with occasion title, copy and paste. Then find occasion inserted successfully. Where admin has to redirect? Admin has to redirect to view occasions. Then error inserting occasion. Okay, simple changes. Refresh once without inserting. If I just click, okay, we have already given required field. So from HTML itself, we will have this validation. But if you have not passed required field, then whatever message we have passed in the backend, that will be shown. Now I will come to insert occasion. Again, I have to click inside this occasions. I am having birthday, anniversary. Okay, let me copy this baby shower. I will copy, paste, click on insert occasion. This occasion already exists. I will pass Valentine. Click on insert occasion. Occasion inserted successfully. Refresh once. Now this occasion will be added. Successfully, we are able to insert occasion and category. Now I will come to insert product. If I just open this drop down, you can see I am having home decor, and inside this occasion, Valentine is also added. Dynamically, entire data will be fetched from the database and it will be shown to admin.